Hi guys!
Don't hurt my little baby. Okay?
Okay. Today is your enrollment day.
Harap ka dito head dun sa. Harap mo dito. Move my head.
Move your head like this.
Up. Sobrang up.
Sobrang.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Thank you. 1, 2. Okay, so pa smile. Smile with it. Share it. Yan. Okay, thank you.
Here lang.
What?
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Mag-enroll. Dito. Thank you. Pangalawa. And so this is gonna be your school.
Are you sure, Mommy?
I'm not sure. I think I can get it. Oh, you like your new school?
Yes.
Yeah. Ito nga, here. Sige po.
Hello po. Anong grade po?
Tagapagmana ka dapat.
So we're going to
Where are you going?
Russia. There. It's there.
There?
Oh. Here, Dad. Open it. Hindi. So, dun yung magiging room mo.
Daddy.
There are, come here. Diyan po yung magiging room mo.
Ako?
Opo.
Bakit?
Anong bakit?
Bakit?
Bakit po?
Bakit po may room ako?
Kasi di ba ito na po yung new school mo. Let's go. Hi guys! Hi ate! Si Maurice. At si Daddy. We're going to Tagaytay and then SM Dasma para mamili ng mga school supplies for Maxine kasi pasukan niya na sa Monday. Yan, dito na kami sa Tagaytay. Church muna. Ay, gising yung baby ko. Ay, gising na yung ate ko. Ito yung favorite kong puntahan, guys. Sumbong ng mga kasalanan. Good job. My student. My student. Ask for help to daddy. Hi there, how are you?
Wow.
Wait lang si Mami and Maurice. Ipopromote ka na rin ba ng sugal?
Okay. Where are we going? SM. Kasi bibili tayo ng... What are we going to buy?
School supplies.
School supplies for...
For school.
Yeah, for Ate Maxine, right?
Right. See, I told you, I see a snail.
Sus, ang init.
I see a snail.
Grabe ang init. Yes. Let's go to SM. Yeah, we're here in the news. Opo, ayan. Ay, no, kabila. Sa terminal yan eh. We're here!
Yay!
Yay! Tulog pa rin si Maurice. Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Tulog pa rin yung bata. Kakanan din naman ang mga ito. We're here. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapunta rito kasi madalas sa S3.
Hi guys, I'm scared of heights. What is you in FM?
Ang hirap, ang daming kids. Ayun na, sasakyan. Let's go! Let's go, Maurice! Tingnan niyo tong baby, guys. Pang sa galaan. Yan! Napakadihil! Diba? Scared siya. We're moving.
Yan na.
Yun. Ayan, dami. Oh, choose! No-overwhelm ka, no? Choose ka, baby. Nang gusto mo.
Okay, mami, nalawin. Di ba?
Masyadong malaki, daddy.
Tama lang, hindi marami.
Kasi ganyan, sobrang laki yan. Ayan, pwede pa yan.
Bali, hindi pa lang siya nakarenta. Dati po siya 2.7.
Added siya 2.7.
What are these ones?
Kung pakuha mo sa kanya.
Oh, sige, get mo yung want mo. Go. Dali na, dali. Ngayon na naman. Gusto ba na? Ha? Yes? Okay. Sige. Sige, thank you. One down. May bag na siya. Happy?
Yeah.
Nanap niya.
Dalawang makulit. Ayan. Okay, medyas naman ang bibilhin natin. We're gonna pay na, guys. Where's Daddy? Yay! We're going to eat here. We're here sa the Buffalo Wings and Beans. Hi, we're going home.
Yay!
We're going home. Happy ka na? Are you ready for school?
Cool?
Yeah, on Monday.
Yes, come on. I'm going. I'm going.
Yeah, on Monday.
I'm going there.
Today is Saturday. And then tomorrow is Sunday. The next day is Monday. Oh, diba?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Yeah.
Mama, mommy. And this.
Hi guys! So today is Maxine's first day of school. Hi ate! Are you excited for your new school?
Yes.
Do you think you're gonna have fun?
Yes. I'm going to play with my friends and
You have to listen to your teacher,
Oh.
right?
okay.
When your teacher is talking and discussing something, you have to
Listen.
listen. And when the teacher asks you a question, you have to
Read.
you have to answer teacher's question, right? So when teacher asks you, Maxine, can you introduce yourself to your classmates? What will you say?
Hello guys. My name is Maxine Wade Cemento.
And
Wait.
say I am
I am
4 years old.
4 years old. Let's be friends, everyone. So I got so many friends, so she's going to play with me. Her name is I don't know the name, but It is okay. She's going to talk to me. So many
Students.
students and there's so many girls, classmates, and we boys classmates. So we're going to have much fun.
Yung dalawa lang ni Maxi ngayon, ako muna naghatid kasi si Daddy may urgent na pinuntahan. Kaya first day of school di siya kasama. Pero next time baka siya na yung maghatid sundo kay Maxi. Ha?
It's okay.
Hindi kids.
Ate.
Okay, I will go home muna.
And get something.
Opo, I will come back when you're done here, okay? There, oh. Hi, finally, nahatid ko na si Maxine sa school and nakuha ko na yung kanyang uniform. So, super excited na siya mag-uniform. And nakalimutan ko ng Friday kunin. So, ayun, bukas pa niya masusuot. Uwi mo na ako. Wow! Love star. What?
So much fun over there.
Ano po ginawa niyo sa school?
Huh?
Ano po ginawa niyo?
Okay. Marami ba sila doon?
Ano sila yung
Do you
12
have
na
any
girls?
friends, right? Do you have any friends?
What?
Did you make friends?
Friends?
Mm-hmm.
Did you make some friends today?
Yes.
Wow. What's the name of your friends?
I will ask you. I don't know.
Me. What did you do in the school? Did you read? Did you play?
Golf
Did
course.
you... Oh, parang...
I play in weed.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. Do you love your new school?
Yes.